You can benefit your liver by just taking 1 tablespoon of olive oil every day. I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can take it, and when is the best time to take it, and what it can do for you. Now, some symptoms that you have a liver problem would be that when you wake up in the morning, you have very bad breath, or your mouth is very, very dry and sticky, or you have lots of headaches. These are very good signs that you need a liver cleanse. And an easy way to do it is by taking olive oil. When you take olive oil, you need to make sure that it's real olive oil. Over 50% of the olive oil you find in the grocery stores usually is not real olive oil. So you want to look carefully and try and get a really good brand. Even if it's more expensive, just remember you're taking it for your health. It is a medicine. And you only need 1 tablespoon a day, so it will last a while. Now, just taking the tablespoon of olive oil every day will lower your heart disease risk. It also can raise your good cholesterol. And it can help protect your liver from any further fatty liver disease. Olive oil is very rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, and both of these things are really great for your liver. The first way, you can take olive oil just by itself, 1 tablespoon every morning, and you want to take it before you eat anything. Do not eat or drink anything afterward for at least 30 minutes, and do this every day for about 30 days. Now, the second way is with lemon juice. Now, what happens when you combine olive oil and lemon juice? These two work together very well. When they are combined, they help to amplify each other. And together, they are great at detoxifying the entire body. And it has been proven that taking olive oil can help improve your fatty liver disease, reverse any liver damage you have, and restore your liver function. Lemon is an alkalizing agent, and when the pH value of your body is imbalanced and it's too acidic, this is when diseases start to grow and spread. So when the pH is balanced, this will help get rid of any disease cells and make it very difficult for them to grow. So having lemon juice with olive oil will help to cleanse your body of any diseases that are in there. And because it is so high in antioxidants, this is what helps to fight all of the diseases and bad cells that are in your body and get rid of them to help your whole body be cleansed and healthy. Did you know that olive oil is also good for your colon? It can help to lubricate the lining in your gastric system and improve your digestion, and it also helps to increase your metabolism. Of course, eating a healthy diet and exercising will increase the benefits of taking this olive oil. If you have any problems with taking olive oil straight in the morning, you can take your olive oil with salads as a dressing or have it in your food throughout the day. This is why the Mediterranean diet works so well. They're very healthy because they have a lot of olive oil in all of their meals. So if you don't like to take it straight in the morning, you can try the Mediterranean diet approach. It works very well. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.